Welcome to Golden Arawana's laminate installation video. Today we're going to show you all the details that you need to have a successful installation. If you have any questions about this product, go ahead and watch this video. The two things that are most essential for the installation is the floor flatness and the expansion space. For this laminate product, it's required that you leave at least a 3/8 gap around the whole perimeter of the floor that you're installing. In regard to a successful installation, it's essential that you have these tools. All right, guys, now that we have gone over the basics for the installation and it being successful, we're going to jump right into this installation. If you have any questions, please look at the text that's going to be on this video. Thank you very much. Explain something, so have it all the way in like that, drop it down, see it here, angle it up, closer to the seam, push it in, it'll snap. Once it's in, it'll sit flat once it's fully locked in and be connected here and here. Make sure you have your 3/8, at least 3/8 gap along this edge. All right, we've reached that time of the installation where it's time to remove the spacers and install the baseboards. We're going to go ahead and get this flooring done and set up, and stay tuned for another installation video where we show you how to install moldings. Thank you very much. All right, guys, we have concluded the installation of Golden Arawana's laminate. Thank you very much if you made it this far into the video. If you have any questions about this product outside of the installation video, do give us a call. The number will be in this bio. Thank you very much and have an amazing rest of your day.